Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how camera Pro Mode works on the OPPO A98. So first of all, to open the Pro Mode, you have to go for the More modes and then tap right here. And first of all, when you enter right here, I will recommend you to click on this information icon in the right upper corner of your preview, where you can find description of every parameter that you can adjust. Next, let me show you how we can adjust the parameters. So first we can find ISO level. When you want to manually adjust this parameter, just slide left and right, but automatically click here. Next, it's the shutter speed. We can set the shutter speed for the 30 seconds. That's a lot. And right here we got the exposure compensation. +2, -2, and as you can see, there is no this automatic button adjustment, so that's the only parameter that we can only adjust manually. Here we can find the focus range, and here we can find also the white balance. And at the top you can find the histogram. On the left upper corner we can change camera aspect ratio. We can also enable camera shutter delay. And on the left upper corner, we can also enable the flashlight. Yeah, just like that. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.